Brightview Technologies designs, innovates, and manufactures micro-lens arrays for use in a wide variety of applications. So anything from LED lighting to high dynamic range displays to self-driving cars.
We design and manufacture solutions for people in the visual intelligence space that lets them grow and enhance their technology platforms to meet the needs of not just today, but also tomorrow. We're able to print small lenses, micro lens arrays onto various substrates. And then those substrates are utilized in everything from phones to displays to gesture recognition to all those new things that need to have eyes. We can help in a variety of ways for them to be able to make those better.
We're a group of very engaged, passionate employees that really believe in the power of micro-lens arrays and what visual intelligence is going to do. To be at the forefront of something that's going to have a meaningful change to how people live their lives is very exciting.
The pandemic for us, we got hit early because we deal with Asia. We were very concerned. So we pivoted to face shields because 3/4 of everything we needed to make a face shield we had already in the building.
We knew we had the resources to make PPE. We didn't know how to sell those, how to access entities that might need PPE. So we reached out to North Carolina Manufacturing Extension Partnership.
I work with the North Carolina State University Industry Expansion and Solutions team. We're the North Carolina MEP, which is part of the MEP National Network.
MEP to Brightview has always been the go-to source when you just don't know who else to call.
What we did was we would try to match up companies that were making PPE or trying to make it with the supply chain. And then also, once they had finished these PPE products, trying to match them up with hospital groups, other state agencies. To me, they were ahead of the curve.
We built kits of raw materials and we hired 30 independent contractors. We also gave preference to anyone that had lost their job due to pandemic reasons. Each kit was 250 face shields. They would go home and they would assemble the kits at home and we would quality inspect them. We would finalize the pack and then we would ship them out.
What made them a hero was the way they pivoted to help make PPE, to give their workforce as safe as environment to work in as possible. They're a company that is in kind of a unique position where they're actually manufacturing and exporting components that go in devices that people use every day. And of course, it brings notoriety to this area to have a company of that level that can put products into the supply chain and in other parts of the world.
This metaverse of artificial intelligence and Internet of Things is exploding. And one of the key components to that are micro-lens array structures that help visual intelligence.
We're investing in clean rooms that will elevate our capabilities to manufacture, that allows us to enter new markets, whether it's trying to get into automotive or trying to do things with display companies and new opportunities with 3D sensing. By doing the things internally, we're building that to be able to really be the growth engine for the company going forward.
I am so proud of the work that we do here, the people that we employ, the passion that we have for our business, and also the fact that we are an example of how you can cost effectively manufacture in the US and export around the globe. We create new technologies, new opportunities for a very exciting future.
Brightview Technologies makes the world a better place by being able to help customers realize their vision.